Oh Allah Ya Rahman, maaf kore diyo, maaf kore diyo. Oh Allah Ya Rahim, maaf kore diyo.
Right, my dear brothers and sisters, I was walking past, seeing all the lovely people eating and drinking, taking a bit of a break. I happened to stop and just ponder upon this beautiful picture here, right? So Forest Gate Central Masjid, and this is a place I need to go and check out. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you doing, my brother?
Alhamdulillah, how are you?
Alhamdulillah. So tell us about this masjid. I need to come and visit, but before I do, you need to tell our community what this masjid is about and what's happening.
So Alhamdulillah, our elders in 1991 established this masjid with a tiny little house, and over the years, Alhamdulillah, they've accumulated 4 houses. And wow. These 4 houses, they're 3-bedroom houses in the heart of Forest Gate, and they've become like a rabbit's den, like small rooms here, there, roofs leaking, extensions going this way, and you know, it just doesn't work for the community. We've got an ever-growing community in Forest Gate. In 2003, again, the management got together and they established a school, a primary school, to educate our children. Mm-hmm. So now this building, it doesn't serve us correctly, and in order to serve in a better facility, the community decided to demolish the current 4 houses and rebuild a purpose-built masjid, school and a community hub. So this is where we are today. Alhamdulillah, the phase 1 of our project is complete. We are moving on to phase 2, which is to erect the full.
So phase 1, what did that involve?
Phase 1 was to secure our planning, which
right.
was received from Neom Council,
mm-hmm.
and in order to do that, we had to demolish one of the buildings, and we had to do all the relevant pre-enabling and pre-construction works that goes behind the scenes, like, you know, speaking to the authorities, the fire services, the HS1 with the rail line underneath the masjid.
So is it right next to the rail line then?
Yeah, the HS1 basically goes underneath the masjid.
SubhanAllah.
So, all of this. So Alhamdulillah, we're at a stage where we have met all the, I think, about 30 or 40 conditions that we had to meet. And there's a couple remaining, one of which is a demolition order from the council. So once that comes through, we will be demolishing the remaining 3 properties in order to start work on
and when is your, I know like it's a bit of a weird question because you always anticipate a date for completion, but it always drags on. What's your date of completion?
So with our next phase, which is to build a superstructure, watertight and bare minimum to come in, for the Muslims to come in and start praying. As long as the funding is in order, our developers, they say it's an 18 to 24 month process.
SubhanAllah. So at the moment, like, is there a space to pray, or is it still under construction right now?
So yeah, currently we do still have the 3 remaining buildings, and we have also opposite the masjid, we have secured a small piece of land where planning has gone through now to build a temporary structure to pray our 5 times salah basically.
So you can pray there.
So we will still pray just opposite this current site.
Okay, like a temporary place? Or?
Temporary place,
right,
yes,
okay.
yeah. So the plan is to, within 18 to 24 months, to move back into the main building,
right.
and resume the works.
And brother, like, I'm going to bring you in because I kind of barakallah. So this is basically what it's going to look, the finished masjid, right? MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
So just to give you some perspective,
yeah.
So all along here is Romford Road. So at the moment, historically the mosque was about yay high, so like 2 stories. So over here was essentially a commercial space that was capital renting, and over here was the mosque, and next to is a clinic. These were residential homes which we bought out over time, which is now demolished. So this will be served as a school. So it's going to be a 3-tier structure with the dome on top, so that we have more space for the women folk and children in the area. Mm-hmm. Whereas now we didn't have that space.
How many floors are you going to have?
3 floors.
3 floors.
And it'll be extended across back into the back.
Oh, at the back the space,
the basement as well.
Oh, mashallah, with a basement as well. And how many musallis can fit in here? Like
the musallis over 1,500.
1,500. SubhanAllah. That's amazing.
We've got about 700 to 800. So we're pretty much doubling the floor space, and plus at the same time giving a state-of-the-art school
Facilities.
for the facilities for the children to obviously learn.
Mashallah, mashallah, that's amazing. What about like janazah services, funeral services? Are you going to have space?
So we did think of the ghusl and the janazah services, but because we have a school and we have children around, currently the planning doesn't allow us to do that.
Right, okay.
But we are keeping
Open mind.
in the open mind, and we are keeping
Fine.
the facilities or space for the facilities so that in the future we can
Inshallah,
add that. We can add that, inshallah.
Yeah, the reason why I ask is a lot of masjids are putting that into the development
Yes,
because
yes,
there needs to be more of it. Because
Yeah.
you know, from I'm not sure how far ELM is from you guys.
Yes.
20-30 minutes by Elizabeth Trade from Forest Gate Station to Whitechapel.
How far is the nearest cemeteries from you guys? Like starting with
Actually, it's just across the road, like 3-minute walk. We have the Forest Gate Cemetery.
Forest Gate, right.
Yeah, Woodgrange Park
Woodgrange,
Station.
but yeah, near the Woodburn Bar Station.
Let's go, petrol.
So yeah,
And so-
yeah, we do have.
Mashallah. I need to come and check this place out, right? You know,
Inshallah,
inshallah. And then
There's a
give.
personal testimony as well.
Sure.
Actually, personal testimony to add.
Yeah.
So I see, I've been in the area, I'm a local resident, part of the committee and it's supporter. I actually went madrasa to this mosque as well. So I came at a time when they first started introducing evening madrasa to teenage boys. So before they didn't need to do that, they didn't do that. So a lot of the elders, shall I say, like my age, are still in the area, still going to Jummah and so still live here. So like 10 years down the line, like even myself, I've got younger siblings who also went madrasa here. So it's like 3 generations of people's family that have studied at this mosque, prayed at this mosque, supported this mosque, as well attended any community functions. So we had our turbulent times, but like this process where the heart of the community, it's not just a mosque, it's a center for all. And like you say, it's not just about space for to come pray, but to build a community, family, and build a nest essentially.
Subhanallah, subhanallah. I'm feeling the vibes, honestly, right? Like brothers like this and other brothers as well who inspire people like us to go and join the masjid, like you said, not just to pray, but be part of the house of Allah and build it bigger and better and spread it, right? So this is what it's about. And the siblings, it's most important. One of the questions I always ask people is like, what can we do to invite our younger brothers and sisters to come to the masjid, right? They see us, like when we grew up, I'm sure we saw our dads and granddads go there and they're always in the front row, they're messing about at the back kind of thing, but now we're at the forefront, right? And that's what we need to bring our younger brothers and sisters as well, inshallah. Brothers, honestly, you're doing an amazing job, right? Honestly, I just walked past and I just saw this picture and I was like, where's that? That looks amazing, right? So inshallah, we'll definitely come and pray behind you.
Jazakallah for your time.
No worries, barakallah feek.
Keep us in your du'as.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And as I say, I'm going to put all the links down on my YouTube channel. I'll give you one of my cards as well. And this is amazing, right? This is something that needs to
This
happen.
is just briefly, so this is a drum wall which translates to stars. So essentially, similar what we have in East of the Mosque with the patron wall and so. We have a similar concept where we have tiles, Islamic geometric style. We have the center piece there, then the external tiles.
Yeah.
So that will be inside the mosque. So you'll be essentially part of the legacy going forward.
Inshallah.
So whether it's 10 years, 20 years, your name will still be there, and you see the Qadna Hasana and the praise for contributing that.
That's
We
it.
also got a brick as well. But one fair sage, come visit. We're Forest Gate, Romford Road. Nearest station is Woodgrange Park Station, Wanstead Park Station, Manor Park Station, and we have 2 large Jummah services, 2 usually at the moment 1:30, 2:15, and in terms of the youth, the kids come play. The mosque is a library; they should come play. There should be noises and so, and just come support where you can, and thank you for listening.